Dear friends, are you ready to crack the CAT exam? Our journey through the previous questions of CAT exam is continuing. Well, take a look at the first question. In the battle of Mahabharata, Veer Arjun destroyed all the 125 Raths, horse carts, out of which few were driven by 3 horses each, and the rest were driven by 5 horses each. Thus, he captured 125 damaged Raths along with 575 horses. The rest which were driven by 5 horses belonged to the Kaurav, and rest which were driven by 3 horses belonged to the allied army of Kaurav. It is known that no any horse was injured in the battle. Thus, number of rests originally belonged to the Kaurav, not their allied army is. Choices are given 60, 25, 75, 100. At first, attempt yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here given that in a battle of Mahabharat, Veer Arjun destroyed 125 Raths, and he captured these 125 damaged Raths along with 575 horses. So Arjuna captured 125 Raths and 575 horses. Given that all horses are in a good condition, though no any horse were injured in this battle. Therefore, Arjuna captured 125 Raths and 575 horses. Another data is, in these 125 Raths, few were belongs to Kaurava, and remaining Raths belong to allied army of Kaurava. Moreover, the Raths belong to Kaurava were driven by 5 horses. Raths belong to allied army were driven by 3 horses. So we have to calculate number of Raths originally belong to the Kaurava. How many Raths belong to Kaurava? This we want to calculate. So I am using a simple tricks to solve this. At first take the average 575 divided by 125. That's equal to 4.6. Put 4.6 is here and take the difference. That is equal to 1.6. This is equal to 0.4. 5 minus 4.6 is equal to 0.4. 4.6 minus 3 is equal to 1.6. Therefore, the ratio between Raths of Kaurav and allied army of Kaurav is 1.6:4. That's equal to 4:1. So, we want to calculate how many Raths belong to Kaurava. Their ratio is in the 4:1. The number of Raths belong to Kaurav is equal to 125 into 4 by 5. That's equal to 100. This is the answer. Okay, let's move on to the second question. 2 types of tea, A and B, are mixed and then sold at a rest 40 per kg. The profit is 10% if A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:2 and 5% if this ratio is 2:3. The cost prices per kg of A and B are in the ratio. 4 choices are given: 17:25, 19:24, 18:25 and 21:25. At first, attempt yourself. Okay, look at the answer. Here, 2 type of tea, A and B, are mixed and sold at rupees 40 per kg. So we take the price of A type tea is X and price of B type tea is Y. Here 2 combinations are given. If A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:2 got 10% profit. That means 3x plus 2y divided by 5. This is the 1 kilogram quantity of first combination. He got 10% profit. That's equal to 40. Selling price is 40 per kg is already given. In the second combination 2:3 he got 5%. Therefore 2x plus 3y by 5. This is the 1 kilogram quantity of second combination got 5% profit. This also be 40. Both combination he sold at the rupees 40 per kg. Therefore these two things are equal. So what we want to calculate? We have to calculate the ratio between cost price of A and B. So we have to calculate x is to y. This is equal to 11 by 10. This is equal to 21 by 20. 5 also cancelled. 2 and 2 into 11 is equal to 22. Therefore 3x plus 2y into 22 equal to 2x plus 3y into 21. 3 into 22 is equal to 66. 2 into 21 is equal to 42. That's equal to 24. Therefore 24x is equal to 3 into 21 is equal to 63. 2 into 22 is equal to 44. Goes to the right side is equal to 44. 63 minus 44 is equal to 19. Therefore 19y. Therefore x by y is equal to 19 by 24. Therefore x is to y equal to 19 is to 24. This is the answer. Okay, let's move on to the third question. A wholesaler bought walnut and peanuts. The price of the walnut per kg being thrice that of a peanut per kg. He then sold 8 kg of peanuts at a profit of 10% and 16 kg of walnut at a profit of 20% to a shopkeeper. However, the shopkeeper lost 5 kg of walnut and 3 kg of peanut in transit. He then mixed the remaining nuts and sold the mixture at rupees 166 per kg, thus making an overall profit of 25%. At what price in per kg did the wholesaler buy the walnuts? Choices are given. At first, you attempt yourself. Okay, look at the answer. A wholesaler bought walnut and peanuts. Given that the price of the walnut per kg being thrice that of a peanut per kg, therefore they are in the ratio 3:1. He sold 16 kg of walnut and 8 kg of peanut. Therefore total cost ratio is 48:8. Therefore 6:1. That means 6k and k. This means that 16 kilogram walnut price is 6k and 8 kilogram peanut price is k. So we want to calculate the selling price of the wholesaler. He sold walnut at a 20% profit. That means 6k into 120 by 100. That's equal to 7.2k. He sold 10% profit in peanuts. So k into 110 divided by 100, that's equal to 1.1k. But total selling price of the wholesaler is 8.3k. Now we have to check the details of the shopkeeper. We know that cost price of the shopkeeper is selling price of the wholesaler. Therefore, total cost of price for 16 kilogram walnut and 80 kilogram peanut is 8.3k. But the shopkeeper lost 5 kilogram of walnut and 3 kilogram of peanut in transit. He lost 5 kilogram of walnut and 3 kilogram of peanut in his transit. So his total quantity now 11 plus 5 in 16 kilogram. He sold this 16 kilogram items 166 per kg. Therefore, total selling price of the whole shopkeeper is total cost is 16 into 166. But we know that the shopkeeper got 25% profit on his cost of price. Therefore, 8.3k into 125 by 100 is equal to 16 into 166. Therefore, k is equal to, cancel this by 25, we get to 5 by 4. 8.3 is equal to 83 by 10. Therefore, k is equal to 16 into 166 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 83 and into 10. Therefore, 10 by 83. 8.3 equal to 10, 83 by 10. Therefore, k is equal to, cancel this 2. Therefore, 16 into 16 is 256. So, what we want to calculate, at what price in per kg did the wholesaler buy the walnut? We have to calculate the 1 kilogram walnut cost of price. We know that 16 kilogram walnut cost of price is 6k. Therefore, 1 kilogram of walnut price is 6k divided by 16. That's equal to 6 into 256 divided by 16. That's equal to 16. 6 into 16 is 96. Therefore, 1 kilogram walnut price is 96 rupees.